Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. What's on the menu for tonight? Cajun shrimp and sausage Alfredo pasta. All right, your girl was over here craving some fettuccine Alfredo, so I decided to go ahead and make a Cajun by adding some shrimp and andouille sausage. Okay, you guys, this is a very simple and easy Alfredo pasta. It's only a few ingredients, so if you want to try it out, go ahead and let me know. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. Okay, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and get our skillet out, add a little oil to it, and I'm gonna add those andouille sausages to it just to brown it up on each side. And while that's browning, we're gonna go ahead and season our shrimp. I use some paprika, of course you guys know what it is, garlic salt, onion powder, and I went ahead and added some slap yo mama. Okay, not my mama, but your mama. Okay, but slap her at your own risk. So slap your mama seasoning, and can't forget the fresh black cracked pepper. All right, go ahead and add a little oil to that and go ahead and massage those seasonings into that shrimp. Okay, get it all up in there, incorporate it all throughout up in there. Okay. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and set that to the side, and we're gonna go back to our pan and check out our andouille sausage. Okay, y'all, you don't want that to burn, so we're gonna go ahead and flip it, and it should look nice and golden just like that. Now listen, some of y'all out there don't know the difference between nice and golden or burnt, and trust me, that is not burnt. That is what we looking for. Okay, here goes the shrimp. We're gonna go ahead and cook it a few minutes on each side. I'm flipping it over, and that is what we looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, shout out to Brat for those who may not know. Okay, so we went ahead and flipped those shrimp over, cooked it a few minutes on each side till it's thoroughly done. Okay, do not overcook your shrimp. It don't take long to cook. Now, all that goodness on the bottom of that skillet, we ain't getting rid of that. We're doing all of this in one pan because what we're doing is layering those flavors. Okay, so we went ahead and added some butter to that extra flavor that was left in the bottom of that skillet, and I went ahead and minced some fresh garlic. If you don't have fresh garlic, go ahead and use the store-bought minced garlic that comes in the jar. But again, I try to work with fresh ingredients this recipe because fresh just makes every bit of difference. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and stir that up because we don't want nothing to burn. We're gonna stir that up until that butter is melted, and then after that butter gets melted, we're gonna go ahead and add our heavy cream. Okay, that's what's gonna make this dish, some heavy cream and some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Y'all know what it is. Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and add, I think that's a pint of heavy cream. Go ahead and pour that in. Again, y'all, I did not measure, but I didn't use the whole carton. There was probably like, I don't know, very little left. Okay, depending on how much pasta you're gonna cook. And now you're gonna season that with the same seasonings that you season your shrimp with. Okay, again, don't overdo it because you already seasoned your shrimp, so there's no need to over season the sauce. Go ahead and stir that up, and while we're gonna stir that up, we're gonna go ahead and let that simmer a little bit. Okay, while we're letting that simmer, we're gonna go ahead and get our pasta water started. And you guys, so the pasta I am using is a cauliflower pasta. So, and then when I first tried this pasta, I was afraid of how it might taste. So I tried to flavor the water with the chicken bouillon seasoning as my salt. Okay, and it worked out. Going back over here to the sauce, we're gonna add our fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Stir that up in there. That's what's gonna thicken up this sauce. Stir it till it's smooth. You guys can use the pre-grated packaged Parmesan if you want to, but if you do, it's gonna come out grainy. I suggest you use fresh grated Parmesan. Buy you a block of Parmesan, grate it yourself, and put it up in there. It's gonna be so silky smooth, okay? Going back over to this here cauliflower pasta, okay? Again, I went ahead and seasoned the water with the chicken bouillon seasoning, because again, I was afraid, like I didn't know what this pasta was going to taste like when I first had it. But to my surprise, you cannot tell the difference, okay? If you want to use regular pasta, go for it, but go ahead and give this a try. It's lighter on the stomach. It doesn't leave you feeling heavy or anything like that, okay? It only takes 3 minutes, y'all. It's frozen. You can find it at Walmart in the frozen section. It's frozen. It takes 3 minutes to cook. Drain it. Add it in that sauce, baby. Hey, that sauce, baby. Oh, okay. Go ahead and add it to that sauce. Stir it up. And then you're going to go ahead and add your andouille sausage and your shrimp back to this here pasta sauce, okay? And it's pretty much done, y'all. At this point, we get to assemble a plate, okay? After I thought about it, I was like, I should have left a few pieces of shrimp and everything for garnish. I need to work on my presentation and my plating. But listen, this here is for me because my husband does not eat Alfredo. He doesn't like white sauces or whatever. I don't know, child. Take that up with him. So this is really just for me. So I wasn't trying to be too fancy, but next time I'll make sure that my plate presentation is nice and fancy. But there you go. We're plating it up now. Go ahead and grab you a fork and dig on into it, y'all. Let me know if you try this recipe. Let me know how you like it. I can guarantee you're going to love it. I sprinkled some parsley on top. I did not have fresh parsley, but there you go. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all next time.